Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva software. Canva is an incredibly intuitive online design tool, perfect for creating professional-looking graphics without any prior design experience. It offers a vast library of over 250,000 free templates, making it easy to start any project. Whether you need social media posts, presentations, or marketing materials, Canva simplifies the entire design process for millions of users worldwide. Once you open Canva, you will see the intuitive editor. On the left side, you will find all your essential tools: templates, elements, text, and uploads. The main canvas is where your design comes to life. You can easily drag and drop elements, resize them, and adjust their positions. Customizing colors, fonts, and images is straightforward, allowing for complete creative control over your project in just a few moments. To start your first design, select a template from the thousands available or opt for a blank canvas. You can then add various elements like text, photos, and graphics from Canva's extensive library, which includes millions of stock images. Simply drag them onto your canvas. Adjust their size, position, and even transparency with a few clicks to achieve your desired look. It is a quick and fun way to bring your ideas to life. After perfecting your design, it is time to save and share it. Canva allows you to download your work in several popular formats, such as JPG, PNG, or PDF, ensuring high quality. You can also share your creations directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, or send them via email. For team projects, invite others to collaborate, making it easy to work together on a single design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.